Hi there, students. A tycoon. Okay, a tycoon is a rich and powerful businessman. This is somebody who has succeeded in business or in industry. A magnate, a baron, a mogul. So, for example, the film Citizen Kane was about a media tycoon who made a fortune in newspapers. Okay, so a tycoon. This is a wealthy and powerful business person, a captain of industry. So a tycoon could own lots of chains of hotels, or an oil tycoon. Okay, so Rockefeller was an oil tycoon. He set up the Standard Oil. You could have a shipping tycoon. Onassis or Niarchos was a shipping tycoon. A property tycoon who owns lots and lots and lots of houses and lots of buildings. So a newspaper tycoon, somebody who owns various newspapers, a media tycoon. This is a big businessman, a merchant prince, a captain of industry, an industrialist. I guess, yeah, Bill Gates is a computer or an tycoon. Warren Buffett is an investment tycoon. So a tycoon is a person who's exceptionally rich. They're exceptionally powerful, and they have a lot of influence as well. Yes, Mr. Trump is clearly a business tycoon. He's a property tycoon who owns lots and lots of buildings in New York. Okay, so a tycoon is somebody who's been very successful in business. They've become very rich and very powerful. I think very often tycoons are self-made people. So this is a capitalist par excellence, an industrialist. So a magnate, a mogul, a baron, an industrialist, a business leader. One of the fat cats, a captain of industry, a multi-billionaire. Okay, so a tycoon. So I think when we're young, we all imagine we're going to make a fortune and become a tycoon in some business. I also wonder about a tycoon on the verge of bankruptcy. Or a pop star turned business tycoon. Okay, so a ruthless tycoon. Yeah, a business tycoon, a tycoon in the art market. Okay, so a computer tycoon, Alan Sugar, for example. A billionaire tycoon who fell from power. The London-based business tycoon. I'm thinking about George Soros, the Hungarian tycoon. Okay, so a tycoon is a very rich, very wealthy person in business or in industry. Now, the origin is quite interesting because tycoon was a title of a Japanese shogun. So a shogun was the commander-in-chief of feudal Japan, because military power was in control. So you have a tycoon who is who was the shogun, and let's see, it comes from the Japanese word taikun, great lord prince, which was a title for the shogun. It was related to taipan, and this is related to Cantonese as well. So, a tycoon, yeah. Which of the multiple tycoons in our society do you like or do you dislike? So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tycoon.